After more than 1 million miles of hard work, Brian Murphy's 2007 Nissan Frontier is headed home. Today, Murphy swapped his million-mile Frontier for a new 2020 Frontier at M'Lady Nissan in Crystal Lake, the same dealership where he bought the 2007 Frontier more than 13 years ago. The million-mile Frontier will retire where it was assembled, the Nissan Smyrna Vehicle Assembly Plant in Smyrna, Tennessee. Nissan first celebrated Murphy and his million mile during the reveal of the 2020 Frontier at the Chicago Auto Show in February. During a short ceremony on Tuesday, Nissan presented Murphy with a new 2020 Frontier, which is now available at select Nissan dealers nationwide with a starting MSRP of $26,790.